What is up, guys? It is Bro Cracker back again. Little stash pickup. These piss me off. I see everybody's got these on YouTube. I could never fucking find these things, but finally, Bro Cracker's got them. Awesome. Pretty excited about these, and we're gonna shoot a couple off here. I'll get a demo on these. I'm going to put some in my collection. Also, we did get the new Red Lanterns. What does that say there? Made in Hunan, China. Yes. 8016. Got two of those. And 4016s. Two of those. I think somebody had these in their stash, and I was all freaking out trying to get them off them. I don't know if these are the same ones. They probably are. But yeah, I got them. They're here. Got a good price on these, actually. These were $10 for the big ones and $5.99 for the small ones. So that's cool. And also, Intel is saying Black Cat Ladyfinger bricks are coming in town real soon, and I'll be all over that shit. But that's what we got today, boys. Take it easy, man.